Alright, today we're going into a Michelin-style recipe. Tuna with orange sauce. It's crispy, fresh, and honestly, just really good. We start with rice noodles, drop them straight into hot oil, and they instantly puff up into this light, crispy texture, almost like a delicate pasta crisp. Take them out onto paper, and that's your base. Next, the orange sauce. Just reduce fresh orange juice slowly. Let it concentrate. While that's happening, slice your tuna, season it nicely, keep it simple. Coat the tuna on sesame seed and a little vinegar goes into the reduction, just enough to bring some acidity and balance everything out. Once the sauce reaches a nice, slightly thick texture, take it off the heat. Now the tuna, quick sear. About 2 minutes on each side. You want color but don't overcook it. And don't burn the sesame seeds. Slice it and you get those beautiful clean pieces. Then we plate. Avocado puree for softness, the crispy noodles for texture, tuna on top, and finally the orange sauce. Voila!